When the Nazis came to power in Germany in 1933, Einstein emigrated to the United States. 5 years later, the discovery of the nuclear fission in Berlin had American physicists in an uproar. Many of them had fled from fascism, just as Einstein had, and now they were afraid the Nazis could build and use an atomic bomb. At the urging of a colleague, Einstein wrote a letter to the American President Franklin D. Roosevelt on 2nd August 1939, in which he warned a single bomb of this type exploded in a port might very well destroy the whole port together with some of the surrounding territory. His words did not fail to have an effect. The Americans developed the atomic bomb in a secret project of their own and dropped it on the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in August 1945. Since there was a political unrest in Germany and in the Middle Europe, Einstein decided to move to United States, and he finally moved to United States. And it is the time when the Nazi was gaining rule in the European countries, and Nazi is the party governed by Hitler, and the main aim of the party is to kill Jews. Jews is a community of people who live in Israel and Middle East, and Hitler's main aim is to kill Jews and to conquer the surrounding countries of Germany. And it is and Hitler and Einstein and some other scientists who have no idea of joining into Nazist party, they because they wanted to be safe and they don't want to hurt people just for the sake of killing them because they belong to a particular community. And Einstein decided to move to United States, and finally he moved. Meanwhile, in Germany, scientists have discovered the atomic fission reaction, and this atomic fission reaction is helping them to create an atomic bomb. And Einstein's friend or colleague want Einstein to address to Franklin D. Roosevelt to create an awareness that the atomic bomb might brought a heavy destruction if it is used. Likewise, in his letter, Einstein wrote to Franklin D. Roosevelt that a bomb of this type dropped in a port might destroy the whole port and the surrounding cities. Because of that, the Americans started developing an atomic bomb in secret. Since the effect of the atomic bomb is described by Einstein, the Americans thought if we have an atomic bomb, then people will think that we are the superpower, then everyone will be afraid of us. So they started developing this type of atomic bomb in a secret project, and finally they created an atomic bomb and dropped it in the Japanese city of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. All these things are happening during the World War II. It is during the World War II the Hitler started gaining power in the Europe, and to end the World War II, the America just dropped bomb in the Japanese cities Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Actually, first the atomic bomb was developed in Germany. Later, the US have devised and used it.